Now we will discuss about breech presentation. Breech is the presentation when buttocks are the presenting part of the fetus for the delivery. Normally, occiput is the presenting part, which can be present in left occipito-anterior, left occipito-transverse, left occipito-posterior, right occipito-anterior, transverse and posterior. Left occipito-anterior is the most common presentation when cephalic presentation is there. In breech presentation, the same procedure can happen. The sacrum is the presenting part, which can be present in the anterior position, left occipito-anterior, left occipito-transverse, left occipito-posterior, right occipito-anterior, right occipito-transverse and right occipito-posterior. The problem with the breech delivery is that the delivery has to occur at three places. Firstly, the delivery of the buttocks, the delivery of the shoulders and the delivery of the head. So, we will discuss breech delivery in three parts. In left occipito-anterior position, in left sacro-anterior position, the engaging diameter of the fetus, is bitrochanteric diameter, that is 10 centimeter, and the diameter of engagement of pelvis is left occipito-anterior. In the
लेफ्ट राइट ऑब्लिक डायमीटर.
left oblique.
अच्छा लेफ्ट है तो थोड़ा रख लें क्या, दर्द हो जाता है हाथ में.
कैसे
ऐसे रख लेते हैं.
राइट ओब्लिक है कि लेफ्ट ओब्लिक है?
ये कौन सी साइड है मदर की?
लेफ्ट ओब्लिक है.
लेफ्ट ऑब्लिक है.
शुरू से मतलब इधर से, मतलब
ठीक है.
इधर से ही ठीक है. यहाँ जहाँ से अभी बोल रही हूँ ना,
हाँ
वहाँ
हाँ
से
तो
भी
कंटिन्यू
ठीक है.
कट हो जाएगा वो तो.
When in the breech delivery, sacrum is the presenting part. If it is present in the left anterior position, then we will say it left sacro-anterior. In left sacro-anterior position, the diameter of engagement of the pelvis is the diameter of engagement of the pelvis is left oblique diameter, and the engaging diameter of the fetus is bitrochanteric, that is 10 centimeter. The descent and flexion are the continuous process, and now the internal rotation will take place. The left in the left sacro-transverse position, the buttocks will come to lie in the antero-posterior diameter, so they will rotate 1/8 of the circle. There will be torsion in the trunk of the fetus, and after the hinging of anterior buttock will be delivered, followed by delivery of posterior buttock, followed by lateral flexion of back and delivery of back, and then the restitution will occur to restore the normal position of the buttocks and the trunk. Now the descent will again occur, and we have to deliver the shoulders. The shoulders have to rotate 1/8 of the circle to come in the antero-posterior diameter. This will lead to torsion between the shoulders and the head. The anterior shoulder will deliver first, followed by the delivery of posterior shoulder. Then the restitution will take place, and then the diameter of head which is to be engaged is suboccipito-frontal, and the head have to rotate 1/8 of this is lying in the right oblique diameter of the pelvis. It has to rotate 1/8 of the circle. It will rotate, which will be seen as the external rotation of the trunk, and then by the help of flexion, the head will be delivered like this.